What's up guys? Dumating na po ang in-order natin sa TikTok. We're just doing an unboxing for today. Nabili po tayo ng boxer dun sa TikTok. Tingnan natin yung 156 something worth na boxer shirt. Pero kakarating lang eh. Parang 3 days lang. Well, titingnan na natin. From the delivery of GNT. So far yung package wala namang opening. Secured naman siya. Okay si Ryder. Let's open it now. Okay. Wala na talaga ako ma-content guys. So we got this boxer sheet, shorts rather. Ano po to eh. Parang 6 pieces siya. And then we got plenty of colors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Medium pong kinuha natin. Tingnan natin. Quality check muna tayo. So, ang cute ng logo. Parang siyang hello, something ganun. Tsaka may love pa daw. Wala na talaga ako ma-order eh. Yun lang, kaya ng budget natin. But otherwise, maganda naman yung product. Tingnan natin yung tahe. So far guys, ang ganda. Parang dry fit siya. Ayun na. Quality naman. So for 156, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces na guys, napakasulit. So for try nyo, okay naman siya. Okay, yun lang naman. That's for the update for today. Salamat sa panonood. Hit thumbs, subscribe, and wag i-report ah. Thank you.